In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a full manual brake bleed on this Ford Escape. Let's get started. Under the hood, towards the driver's side, attached to the cowl, you'll see your brake master cylinder reservoir. Remove the cap. Looking closely at it, it'll say to only use .4 brake fluid. I have .3 and 4. It's compatible for both, so that's what I'm going to use. When doing a full manual brake bleed, I like to remove all of the old fluid that's in the reservoir so I can start with fresh fluid. Use whatever tool you have that'll remove the fluid. I'm using a fluid extractor and I'm going to do my best. You're never going to get 100% of it out, but just take as much out as you can. All right, I got as much out as I can, so I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to use my .3 and 4 brake fluid to fill this up. The max line is right here on the side, so fill it up until it reaches that. Cap this off. To bleed these brakes on this vehicle, the sequence is starting at the right rear wheel, bleed that caliper, and then move to the left rear. After you do those two, you're going to want to top off the master cylinder, then move to the right front, that's the passenger side front, and finish up at the left front, that's the driver's side front. Now after this, if you feel that there's still air stuck in the system, repeat the procedure in the same sequence. Now we're at the right rear caliper. I have an assistant in the vehicle to help me pump up the brake pedal and create pressure. I also have a collection receptacle with a hose here. I'm going to pop off the bleeder screw cap, and for this one you'll need an 11mm wrench. Go ahead and pump the brakes. All right, they're holding pressure, so I'm going to crack this open. I hit the floor, so I'm going to close this off. Go ahead and pump again. We're going to do this until we have clean brake fluid with no air bubbles coming out of this bleeder screw. Okay. All right, you can let go of the brake pedal now. Take this off of here. And if you spilt any brake fluid, go ahead and clean it off. And of course, cap the bleeder screw so it doesn't get clogged up. Now move to the left rear and do the same to bleed that caliper. And then of course, top off the master cylinder. Now top off the master cylinder all the way up to the max line, and then cap it off. Our master cylinder is topped off and we are now at the right front caliper. We'll do the same thing, except this one takes a 10mm wrench instead of an 11. Pop the bleeder screw cap off. I'm going to connect my hose. Go ahead and pump, please. All right, go again. All right, you can let go now. Got good brake fluid coming out of here. Let's wipe off anything that may have spilt. I'm going to use some brake parts cleaner to rinse it. Cap it off, and we'll do the same exact thing on the left front to finish up our brake bleed. Top off the master cylinder one last time, cap it off, put all the wheels on. The torque is 100 foot-pounds, and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.